Crypto.com review, fees, features, facts and more. Crypto.com has become a leading platform for cryptocurrency trading, payments, and staking, offering a comprehensive suite of services that appeal to both newcomers and experienced crypto users. In this review, we'll explore the essential aspects of Crypto.com, including its fees, standout features, and why it's a top choice for crypto enthusiasts worldwide in 2024. Key features of Crypto.com. Diverse range of cryptocurrencies. Crypto.com supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies, from popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano to lesser-known altcoins. This extensive selection allows users to diversify their portfolio easily within a single platform. Crypto.com's fee structure is competitive, with fees that reduce as trading volume increases, making it a great choice for both small and large investors. The platform also offers discounted fees if users pay with the native CRO token, allowing users to save more on trades. Crypto.com's mobile app is designed with ease of use in mind, allowing users to buy, sell, and track their cryptocurrency portfolio on the go. With a sleek and intuitive interface, it's easy for users to stay updated and manage their investments wherever they are. Crypto.com Visa Card. One of Crypto.com's standout features is its Visa Card, which allows users to spend their crypto directly. The card offers rewards in CRO tokens for every purchase, along with additional perks such as cashback, free subscriptions, and exclusive discounts based on card tier. Staking and earning programs. Crypto.com offers multiple ways to earn passive income on crypto holdings. Through the Crypto Earn program, users can lock up their assets and receive interest in return. Additionally, staking CRO tokens on the platform unlocks higher rewards, card benefits, and fee discounts. For users interested in digital art and collectibles, Crypto.com offers a built-in NFT marketplace. This platform allows users to buy, sell, and trade NFTs from well-known creators, bridging the gap between traditional and crypto-based assets. Crypto.com's DeFi wallet allows users to manage their private keys and enjoy full control over their funds. This wallet is an ideal choice for those who want to keep their crypto securely while accessing DeFi protocols and staking opportunities. Security is a high priority at Crypto.com, with strong encryption protocols, two-factor authentication, and a commitment to protecting user funds. The platform is also one of the few to hold significant insurance coverage for user assets, adding an extra layer of safety. Crypto.com fees and rates. Crypto.com's trading fees start at 0.4% for new users, with discounts available based on trading volume or CRO token staking. Fees for deposits and withdrawals vary by asset, but overall, Crypto.com remains competitive compared to other platforms in the market. Users holding the CRO token benefit from reduced trading fees and additional rewards across the platform. Why choose Crypto.com? Crypto.com provides an all-in-one crypto experience, from trading and staking to spending with the Crypto.com Visa Card. With a competitive fee structure, a user-friendly app, and various earning opportunities, it's a top choice for anyone looking to dive into crypto or expand their digital asset portfolio. The platform's broad range of features and strong security make it especially appealing to users who want everything in one place. The question is, ready to start your crypto journey? Click the registration link in the description or comments below to join Crypto.com today.